Haines, Alaska is a quiet town in the northern tip of southeast Alaska, containing about 2,000 people. 90 miles north of the capital city of Juneau, that is a quick flight on an 8-seater airplane or a 5-hour ride on a ferry. Many live here for the scenic mountains, abundant recreation, and the tight-knit family that makes up its residents. Jenae Larson, born November 2nd, 1997. Jenae grew up here. She attended school, graduating in the class of 2016, with the desire to return to Haines and teach.
In kindergarten, all the girls were playing dress up and all the boys were in the wood shop, and I went up and I asked Casey to marry me, and he said no because he was busy building stuff. But then Aaron saw me and he's like, I'll marry you, Janae. So we got married. Yeah.
And did you live happily ever after?
Yeah, we're going on 9 years now.
In high school, Jenae was a leader among her peers. She was not afraid to take control of a basketball game or a group meeting. During the cross-country season, Jenae took time to personally write encouraging notes to each of her teammates to be read before the home meet. Because of this and many other personal touches, she was well respected by her peers.
Hi guys, nice job. So I wanted to do a little overview or reminder of our 5 senses.
In the fall of 2020, Jenae was hired for her dream job as the Haines School kindergarten teacher.
So all the things we can see, or all the things we smell, anything we can taste, anything we hear.
All right, here we have Young Road. It's December 1st. December 2nd, 2020, Haines was hit with what geologists are calling a 200-year storm event. It rained 10 inches in 48 hours, over 18 inches over the week. The cumulative effect of this extreme rainfall and snowmelt was damage to roads, homes, and other infrastructure across the community. Most tragic of these impacts, a 600-foot wide landslide on Beach Road that swept away the homes and lives of 2 beloved community members, including Jenae Larson and David Simmons.
$1,000 paper cranes.
1,000 paper cranes.
1,000 cranes.
1,000 paper 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 cranes. 1,000 cranes.
As the city of Haines turns to recovery and rebuilding, the loss of Jenae and her puppy Red is something from which we cannot simply move on. Haines School art teacher Giselle Miller introduced 1,000 paper cranes for healing. Students, staff, family members, and people from across the state of Alaska made paper cranes that now hang throughout the school in remembrance of Jenae and David. Local glass artist Terry Podzicki used 3rd grade students' flower art to create a glass memorial depicting Jenae and David's boots, complete with their actual signatures. To further honor Jenae and her legacy in our community and beyond, we are organizing a project to help build a playground at the Haines School. Our idea is that the playground would be in the K-2 outdoor area at the school, near the entrance where Janae and her students came together for learning and development. Before the landslide took Janae from us, she spoke to her mom, Kim, about her desire to improve this playground area for her students. The current play structure and equipment in the area is in dire need of an upgrade. In tribute to Janae's bright and loving spirit, we would like to build a new play structure that is more meaningful and connected to our community, where Janae's students and other children can play and enjoy. When the sun shines over the new playground space in this community that Janae loved, we will all remember Janae's smile and her lingering impression in our hearts. Please consider donating to this amazing project. Thank you.